This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Garmin watch to your Android device. First, ensure your Garmin watch is powered on and has at least 20% battery life. Next, verify that your Android phone's Bluetooth is active and set to discoverable mode. Keeping your devices close, within a few feet of each other, will help facilitate a quick and stable connection. These initial checks will smooth your pairing process. Now, let's get the necessary software. Open the Google Play Store on your Android phone and search for Garmin Connect. Download the official application, identifiable by the Garmin logo. Once it finishes installing, open the app. You will then be prompted to either create a new user account or log in using your existing Garmin credentials. This account manages all your watch data. With the Garmin Connect app open, tap on the Add Device option, usually found in the Settings or Device menu. The app will then guide you to select your specific Garmin watch model from a list. Once selected, your phone will instruct you on how to activate pairing mode directly on your watch. This typically involves navigating to a specific menu on your watch itself, ensuring it is ready to connect. After initiating pairing, a unique pairing code, typically 8 to 10 digits long, will appear on your Garmin watch face. Carefully enter this exact code into the corresponding prompt that appears on your Android phone screen. Once the code is correctly entered and verified, the Garmin Connect app will display a success message, confirming your watch and phone are now connected. It will then begin its first data synchronization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.